So, dear students, in the last class we were studying atomic mass, gram atomic mass, molecular mass, gram molecular mass, etc. So, what is atomic mass or mass of an element? It is the ratio of average mass of one atom of an element divided by 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope. So, what is atomic mass? Atomic mass or mass of an atom is equal to average mass of one atom of an element divided by 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope. So, this is the definition. Atomic mass of an element or mass of an atom is the ratio of average mass of one atom of an element to 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope. 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope is called one atomic mass. So, for the determination of atomic mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope is considered as the standard, and also mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope is considered as exactly 12 atomic mass units. Then 1/12 the mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope is known as one atomic mass. 12 divided by 12 is equal to one atomic mass. Therefore, atomic mass of an element or mass of one atom of an element is how many times the mass of one atom of an element is greater than one atomic mass unit. So, this is considered as one atomic mass unit. One atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit has been also been replaced by U. Therefore, average mass of one atom of an element divided by one atomic mass unit. So, this is atomic mass. So, for example, average mass of an atom of an element. What is the meaning of average mass of one atom of an element? So, in nature, many elements exist in isotopic forms. So, when an element exists in more than one isotopic forms, namely 2 isotopes, 3 isotopes, 4 isotopes, etc., in such a cases, average atomic mass is considered. So, for the determination of average atomic mass, I gave you an example. Average atomic mass is equal to m1x1 plus m2x2 plus m3x3 divided by 100. So, like that we can determine the average atomic mass. So, average atomic mass divided by one atomic mass unit gives the atomic mass of an element. So, then coming to gram atomic mass. So, atomic mass expressed in grams is known as gram atomic mass. For example, atomic mass of magnesium equals 12. Atomic mass of carbon is equal to atomic mass of magnesium equals 24. Atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12. Atomic mass of sodium is equal to 23. Atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1.008 U. So, atomic mass. So, when compared to one atomic mass, One atom of magnesium is 24 times heavier than one atomic mass. Carbon atom is 12 times heavier than one atomic mass. Sodium atom is 23 times heavier than one atomic mass. Similarly, hydrogen is 1.008 times heavier than one atomic mass. So, atomic mass has been replaced by U. Then coming to gram atomic mass. Atomic mass expressed in grams is known as gram atomic mass. What is the gram atomic mass of magnesium? Gram atomic mass. So, gram atomic mass of magnesium equals 24 grams. Gram atomic mass of carbon equals 12 grams. Gram atomic mass of sodium is 23 grams. Gram atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008 grams. Atomic mass expressed in grams is known as gram atomic mass. It is also called as 1 gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. So 1 gram atomic mass of magnesium equals how much? 24 grams. 1 gram atomic mass of carbon equals 12 grams. 1 gram atomic mass of sodium is 23 grams, like that. 1 gram atomic mass means atomic mass in grams. Atomic mass in grams is called gram atomic mass. It is also called as 1 gram atomic mass. 1 gram atomic mass of magnesium equals 24 grams. So, if it is 48 gram, in 48 grams of magnesium there are 2 gram atomic mass. Atomic mass expressed in grams is known as gram atomic mass. It is also called as 1 gram atomic mass. So, similarly, coming to molecular mass. What is molecular mass? Molecular mass of a substance. So, how do you define molecular mass? Molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses of all the elements present in one molecule of the compound. Molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses of all the elements. For example, in H2O, H2O is a compound. So, what is the molecular mass of water? Atomic sum of the atomic masses of all the elements present in one molecule of the compound is called molecular mass. What is molecular mass of hydrogen? How it is? What is molecular mass of water? So, molecular mass of water. For the determination of molecular mass of any substance, we need molecular formula. Molecular formula of water is H2O. So, to determine molecular mass, we have to write the atomic mass of hydrogen. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? Hydrogen atomic mass 1.008. Oxygen equals 15.995, like that. So, here hydrogen atomic mass 1.008 into number of atoms 2 plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16 into number of atoms of oxygen is 1. So, this is equals 1.016 plus 16, that is equals 18. Sorry, 2.008. 2.016 plus 16, that is equals 18.016. So, this is molecular mass of water. So, molecular mass of substance is determined by multiplying the atomic masses of each of the element from there by the number of atoms and adding all, we will get molecular mass. Molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses of all the elements present in one molecule of the compound. And how it is calculated? Molecular mass is calculated by multiplying atomic masses of each of the element by the number of atoms of that element and adding them together, we will get molecular mass. Similarly, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. What is the formula of carbon dioxide? CO2. How to determine molecular mass? Atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12. Atomic mass of oxygen equals 15.995. So how to determine the molecular mass? Carbon atomic mass is 12 into number of carbon atoms 1 plus atomic mass of oxygen is 15.995 into number of atoms is 2. So this is equals 12 plus this is around 16 into 2, 32, that is equals 44U. What is 44U? It is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. So like that we can determine the molecular mass of other compounds. For example, glucose. What is its molecular formula? C6H12O6. Atomic mass of carbon is 12 into number of carbon atoms 6 plus atomic mass of hydrogen is say 1 into number of hydrogen atoms is 12 plus atomic mass of oxygen is 16 into 6. So this is equals 72 plus 12 plus 72. 96. So this is equals 180U. So this is the molecular mass of glucose, molecular mass of water, molecular mass of carbon dioxide, molecular mass of glucose. Like that we can determine the molecular mass of any compounds. So if molecular mass is expressed in grams, it is known as gram molecular mass. Molecular mass expressed in gram is known as gram molecular mass. So what is the gram molecular mass of water? So water H2O molecular mass is 18U, carbon dioxide 44U, glucose C6H12O6 it is 180U, sulfuric acid H2SO4 it is 98U. So these are all molecular masses. So gram molecular masses expressed in grams is known as gram molecular masses. 18 gram is known as 1 gram molecular mass of water, and carbon dioxide 44G. 44G is called 1 gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide. 180 gram is called 1 gram molecular mass of glucose. 98G gram is called 1 gram molecular mass of sulfuric acid, like that. So atomic mass expressed in grams is known as gram atomic mass. Molecular mass expressed in grams is known as gram molecular mass. So it is also called as 1 gram molecular mass. It is also called as 1 gram atomic mass. So now we will know what is mole and Avogadro number. Mole and Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? In mole concept, first we will know Avogadro number. Avogadro number, and Avogadro number is represented as Na. Now let us consider carbon 12 isotope. So this is carbon 12 isotope. So here there are 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. What is gram atomic mass of carbon? Gram atomic mass of carbon is 12. If it is expressed in gram, it is called gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. What is the weight of carbon isotope present? It is 12 grams. So here there are so many atoms of carbon. So many atoms of carbon 12. So here the number of atoms of carbon present in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope is known as Avogadro number. So number of atoms here is equal to Avogadro number, that is Na. So what is Avogadro number? The number of atoms present in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope is known as Avogadro number. So the number of atoms present in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. Number of atoms present in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope is called Avogadro number. Avogadro number, and it is represented as Na. So and its value is equal to Avogadro number value is equal to, that is Na is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So here I have taken 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. The number of atoms present in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope is called Avogadro number, and its value is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So in this 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope, there are 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of carbon, and that number is known as Avogadro number. So here 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope is also called as 1 mole of carbon 12 isotope. 12 gram of carbon 12 is also called as 1 mole of carbon 12 isotope atoms. So how we can get this number? So number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. Number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. It is also called as what? Avogadro number is equal to mass of 1 mole of carbon 12 isotope. Mass of 1 mole of carbon 12 isotope divided by mass of 1 atom of carbon 12 isotope. So mass of 1 mole of carbon 12 isotope is equal to 12 gram. Mass of 1 atom of carbon 12 isotope is 1.9926 into 10 to the power of minus 23 gram. This is equal 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms per mole. Atoms per mole. This is how we can get Avogadro number. Number of atoms present in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope is called Avogadro number. Mass of exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope is 12 grams, and then mass of one atom of carbon 12 isotope by mass spectrograph is determined, that is 1.9926 into 10 to the power of 23. So if in this number there are 12 gram divided by mass of one atom gives number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. So that is Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Now we will know what is a mole. Mole. What is mole? So mole is the SI unit used to express the amount of a substance. What is the definition? Mole is the amount of substance which contains Avogadro number of particles. Mole is the amount of substance. Say for example, we will use different terms. Say for example, 1 dozen represents 12 units. 1 dozen represents 12 units. So similarly, 1 score is equal to 20 units. Similarly, 1 grass is equal to 144 units. So 1 dozen means 12 numbers, 1 score means 20 numbers, 1 grass means 144 numbers. Similarly, 1 mole represents 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 units. So 1 mole represents 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 units. Then what is a mole? Mole is the amount of substance which contain Avogadro number of particles. Suppose how many atoms are here in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope? It is called Avogadro number of atoms. So the quantity of substance which contain Avogadro number of particles may be atoms, may be molecules, or may be ions, is also called as 1 mole. 1 mole of carbon 12 isotope atoms. So what is a mole? So mole can be defined like this. Number 1, it is the amount of substance. It is the amount of substance which contains Avogadro number of particles. Avogadro number of particles. Particles may be atoms, comma molecules, comma ions, etc. Mole is the amount of substance which contains Avogadro number of particles. So if the amount of substance which contains Avogadro number of particles, for example, in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope, there are Avogadro number of atoms. Therefore, this quantity is called 1 mole of carbon atoms. 1 mole of carbon atoms. 1 mole of carbon atoms weighs how many grams? 1 mole of carbon atoms weighs its gram atomic mass. 1 mole of carbon atoms, weight of 1 mole of carbon atoms is equal to its gram atomic mass. So if you weigh Avogadro number of atoms of carbon, its weight is equal to 12 grams. So 12 gram is called what? 12 gram is called 1 gram atomic mass of carbon. So this is for one definition. Second definition, mole is the amount of substance. Mole is the amount of substance which contains mole is the amount of substance which contains as many particles. Particles may be atoms, molecules or ions. Mole is the amount of substance which contains as many particles as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. So here it is 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. It contains Avogadro number of particles. So the amount of substance, generally mole is the amount of substance which contains as many particles as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope is also called as mole. And third point, mole is the SI unit used to express the amount of substance. Mole is the SI unit used to express the amount of substance. Its symbol is mole. So now, what is a mole? Generally, mole is the amount of substance. For example, so 12 gram of carbon, 24 gram of magnesium, 18 gram of water, 44 gram of carbon dioxide, 44 gram of carbon dioxide. What is 12 gram of carbon? Atomic mass of carbon is 12. If it is expressed in gram, it is called as 1 gram atomic mass. 1 gram atomic mass of carbon. Similarly, 1 gram atomic mass of magnesium, 1 gram atomic mass of carbon, 1 gram atomic mass of magnesium. Here it is called 1 gram molecular mass of water. 1 gram molecular mass of water. Here it is 1 gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide. So these are elements, these are compounds. Similarly, 2 gram of hydrogen. 2 gram of hydrogen means it is 1 gram molecular mass of hydrogen. 2, what is atom? 1.008 gram of hydrogen is 1 gram atomic mass of hydrogen. So 2.016 gram of hydrogen means 1 gram molecular mass of hydrogen. 1.098 gram of hydrogen means 1 gram atomic mass of hydrogen. So here we have considered atomic mass. So 1 gram atomic mass of carbon means 12 gram of carbon contains Na, Avogadro number of atoms. It also contains Avogadro number of atoms. 1 gram molecular mass of water contains Avogadro number of molecules of water. Contains Avogadro number of molecules of water. Contains Avogadro number of molecules of carbon dioxide. Contains Avogadro number of molecules of hydrogen. Contains Avogadro number of atoms of hydrogen. So all these are called 1 mole. 1 mole of atoms of carbon, 1 mole of atoms of magnesium, 1 mole of molecules of water, 1 mole of molecules of carbon dioxide, 1 mole of molecules of hydrogen, 1 mole of atoms of hydrogen. 1 mole of atoms of hydrogen. So atomic mass expressed in grams is called gram atomic mass. It is also called as 1 gram atomic mass. 1 gram atomic mass of any element contains Avogadro number of atoms. 1 gram atomic mass expressed in grams is known as gram atomic mass. 1 gram atomic mass of any element contains Avogadro number of atoms, and that amount of substance is called 1 mole of atoms. So 1 mole of carbon atoms means Avogadro number of carbon atoms, and its weight is equal to 1 gram atomic weight. So 1 mole of magnesium, 1 mole of magnesium atoms means Avogadro number of magnesium atoms, and the weight of Avogadro number of magnesium atoms is equal to its gram atomic weight. What is the gram atomic weight of magnesium? 24. So in general, gram atomic mass of any element, atomic mass expressed in grams is known as gram atomic mass. 1 gram atomic mass of any element contains Avogadro number of atoms, and that amount of substance is called 1 mole of atoms of that element. 1 mole of atoms of that element. Similarly, 1 gram molecular mass of any compound, for example 44 gram of carbon dioxide, 44 carbon dioxide molecular formula is CO2, and its molecular mass is 44. 12 plus 32, that is 44 gram. 44 gram is called 1 gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide. 2.016 gram is the gram molecular mass of hydrogen molecule. 18 gram is the 1 gram molecular mass of water. So these are the compounds, maybe elements. 1 gram molecular mass of that substance contains Avogadro number of molecules. If it is molecular mass, the number of we have to consider molecules. So contains Avogadro number of molecules of water, Avogadro number of molecules of carbon dioxide, Avogadro number of molecules of hydrogen, and that quantity is called 1 mole of molecules of water, 1 mole of molecules of carbon dioxide, 1 mole of molecules of hydrogen. So understood? Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? It is the number of atoms present in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope, and its value, and it is represented as Na, and its value is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So similar to dozen, similar to score, similar to grass, 1 mole represents Avogadro number of particles or Avogadro number of units. So what is a mole? Mole is the amount of substance which contains Avogadro number of particles, or mole is the amount of substance which contains as many particles as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. So mole is the SI unit used to express the amount of, mole is the amount of chemical substance, and its symbol is mole. So we have considered so many examples. Atomic mass expressed in gram is called gram atomic mass. 1 gram atomic mass of any substance contains Avogadro number of atoms. That amount of atoms is called 1 mole of atoms. 1 mole of atoms of any element. So gram atomic mass of any element contains Avogadro number of atoms. That quantity is called 1 mole of atoms, or 1 mole of atoms contains Avogadro number of atoms, and its weight is equal to its gram atomic mass. Similarly, molecular mass expressed in gram is known as gram molecular mass. 1 gram molecular mass of any substance contains Avogadro number of molecules, and that quantity of a substance is known as 1 mole of molecules. 1 mole of molecules. So 1 mole of molecules of any substance contain Avogadro number of molecules, and its weight is equal to its gram molecular mass, and its weight is equal to gram molecular mass. For example, water. 12, what is the molecular mass of water? 18. Molecular mass of water is 18. U. 18, what is gram molecular mass of water? It is 18 gram. 18 gram of water is called 1 gram molecular mass of water, and it contains how many molecules? Avogadro number of molecules. So 1 gram molecular mass of any compound contains Avogadro number of molecules, and that quantity, that amount of substance is known as 1 mole of molecules of that substance, or 1 mole of that substance. So this is the concept of mole and Avogadro number. And then we will know what is molar mass. Molar mass. Molar mass of a substance. Molar mass of a substance. So write down mass of a substance. Mass of 1 mole of a substance, mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams, mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams is called molar mass of the substance. Mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams is called molar mass of a substance. For example, the molar mass of a substance is numerically equal to, use numerically equal to its gram atomic mass bar molecular mass bar formula mass in U. Formula mass in U. Example, molar mass of water. Molar mass of water equals 18 gram per mole. So, molar mass is nothing but the gram molecular mass. Similarly, molar mass of carbon dioxide CO2 equals 44 grams per mole. 44 grams per mole. Similarly, molar mass of sulfuric acid. What is this formula? H2SO4 is equal to 98 grams per mole. Mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams. Mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams is called molar mass of the substance. So 80U is the molecular mass of water. 18 gram is called gram atomic mass of water. Gram molecular mass of water. So 18 gram of water is called 1 mole of water because it contains Avogadro number of molecules. Avogadro number of molecules of water weighs 18 grams. Avogadro number of molecules of water weighs 18 grams. Therefore, 18 gram is the molar mass of water. 18. So, molar mass is nothing but atomic mass, molecular mass or formula mass in U. So, molar mass of water is 18, carbon dioxide is 44, sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Sulfuric acid H2SO4 equals 98 grams. Similarly, molar mass of glucose C6H12O6 is equal to 180 grams per mole. This is the mass in grams per mole of molecules. It is nothing but the molar mass is nothing but the gram molecular mass in U, gram atomic mass in U, etc. Similarly, molar mass of magnesium Mg is equal to 24 grams per mole. So it is the atomic mass. Similarly, gram atomic mass of sodium gram atomic mass of sodium, molar mass of sodium Na is equal to 23 grams per mole. 23 grams per mole. So this is molar mass. Mass in grams of 1 mole of a substance. Mass in grams of 1 mole of a substance means 1 mole of a substance contains Avogadro number of particles. It may be atoms, it may be molecules, or may be ions. 1 mole of molecules of a substance weighs its gram molecular mass. 1 mole of atoms of an element weighs its gram atomic mass. Weighs its gram atomic mass. So that quantity is known as molar mass. Molar mass of atoms, molar mass of molecules, etc. indicates their gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. So then what is molar volume? Molar volume. Molar volume. Volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas, 1 mole of a gas or vapor. Volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas or vapor at STP. Standard temperature and pressure. Volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas or vapor at STP. STP means standard temperature and pressure is called molar volume. Is called molar volume. Next, molar volume is equal to molar volume at STP equals 22,400 cc or 22.4 liter at 273 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure. 1 atmospheric pressure. 1 atmospheric pressure means 101.3 kilopascals. So it is also equal to 22,700 cc or 22.7 liters at temperature 273 Kelvin and pressure is 1 bar pressure. 1 bar pressure. 1 bar pressure means 100 kilopascals. 100 kilopascals. So this is one point. Molar volume at standard temperature pressure equals 22,400 cc or 22.4 liters when the temperature is 273 Kelvin and pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure. So if the pressure is 1 bar pressure, it is 22.7 liters. So 1 atmospheric pressure is higher and 1 bar pressure is lower. 1 bar pressure equals 100 kilopascals. 1 atmospheric pressure is, if the pressure is more, volume is less. When the pressure is less, volume is more. Second point, number 2, 22,400 cc. 22,400 cc or 22.4 liter of any gas or vapor contains Avogadro number of molecules. So 22,400 cc of is called molar volume. Molar volume of any gas or vapor contains Avogadro number of molecules. And number 3, 1 molar it is also called as 1 mole. So 22,400 cc of any gas, 22,400 cc or 22.4 liter of any gas contains Avogadro number of molecules, and therefore it is called 1 mole of a gas. 1 mole of a gas or vapor, since this volume contains Avogadro number of molecules, this volume is called 1 mole of a gas or vapor. So 1 mole of a gas, 1 mole of a gas means 22,400 cc or 22.4 liter. 1 mole of a gas is nothing but 22,400 cc of a gas at STP, standard temperature and pressure, weighs its gram molecular mass. So what is molar volume? Volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas at STP is called molar volume, and the value of molar volume equals 22.4 liters at STP, also 22.7 liters at STP. When the pressure is 1 atmosphere, its value is 22.4 liters. When the pressure is 1 bar, its value is 22.7 liters. 22,400 cc of any gas at STP contains Avogadro number of molecules. So 1 mole of a gas contains Avogadro number of molecules, and its weight is equal to its gram molecular mass. Example. So one example, 44 gram of carbon dioxide, 17 gram of ammonia, 32 gram of oxygen, 44 gram of carbon dioxide, 28 gram of nitrogen, all are gases. What is 44? 44 is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide, 17 is the molecular mass of nitrogen. So here it is 12 plus 32, here it is 14 plus 3, here it is 16 into 2, here it is 14 into 2. So this is 44 gram of carbon dioxide. 17 gram is called what? 1 gram molecular mass. 1 gram molecular mass of ammonia, 1 gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide, 1 gram molecular mass of ammonia, 1 gram molecular mass of oxygen, 1 gram molecular mass of nitrogen. It contains Na number of atoms, Na number of molecules, Avogadro number of molecules, contains Avogadro number of molecules of carbon dioxide, Avogadro number of molecules of ammonia, Avogadro number of molecules of nitrogen, and what is its volume? Occupies 22.4 liters, 22.4 liters, 22.4 liters, 22.4 liters, and it is called 1 mole of carbon dioxide, 1 mole of ammonia, 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of nitrogen. So, if you consider a gas or vapor, the volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas. What is 1 mole of a gas? 1 gram molecular mass of a gas. 1 gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide, 44 gram, 17 gram, 32 gram, 40. These are all the gram molecular masses of various gases. They are called 1 gram molecular masses. They contain Avogadro number of molecules. They occupy 22.4 liters at STP, and this quantity is called as 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So, today we have understood what is Avogadro number and then mole. Avogadro number, the number of particles present in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope is called Avogadro number, and it is represented as Na, and its value is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. What is mole? It is the amount of substance which contain Avogadro number of particles. Particles may be atoms, may be molecules, or may be ions. So, and then we have understood what is molar mass, molar volume, etc. So, this is enough for today. I will continue tomorrow.